So I have some exciting news for you. I started a new travel channel called Travel with Matt Taylor. I'm really excited for this. I've been going on a lot of adventures and I normally would post those videos here on this channel, and I decided to create a separate channel for the travel related videos instead of posting them here. In fact, the ones that I already have on this channel, I'm going to post over there and keep this channel just kind of food related. And don't worry, I'm not going to stop making recipe videos, so this channel is going to stay active. But I wanted to have another channel for my awesome adventures that I go on. So make sure to follow me over there, subscribe. It'll really help the new channel grow. And if you love to travel and explore, and it's going to be a perfect channel for you. I'm going to showcase all kinds of really cool places that you can go and visit. So see you over there at Travel with Matt Taylor. At the end of this video, there'll be a little link somewhere here. You can just click on it and go over to that channel. Take care and see you over there.